Best deals. These cookware set are being completely non-toxic and lightweight. You can enjoy healthy food absolutely worry-free. Cookware has been scientifically developed to ensure even heating. For best results, also requires minimal maintenance and is dishwasher safe, saving your time and effort in the kitchen. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Cookware set. Features Pure Coat technology that makes the utensils smoother to use and easier to wash. 5-layer coating from Whitford US. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cookware set is crafted from finest quality stainless steel. Its bonded construction of bottom consists of durable stainless steel encapsulating an aluminium core for even heating throughout. Mirror finish adds style to your kitchen to look more beautiful and well decorated. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Kadhai. Used for roasting, sautéing, grilling, broiling, shallow frying in a small quantity in plenty of oil. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric rice cooker. Automatically adjusts temperature and cooking timing for optimal rice cooking. It's compact and lightweight. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Electric cooker. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this kettle cooker is durable, resistant to corrosion, and easy to clean. Cooker features a simple and intuitive design, making it easy to operate and clean. The stainless steel body also ensures that it remains hygienic and resistant to bacterial growth. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Egg boiler. Boils 8 eggs at a time or poaches up to 4 eggs at a time. Also use it to steam vegetables. Comes with stainless steel body, heating plate and food-grade transparent top cover. Automatically shuts off once the egg gets boiled or the water runs dry. Comes with measuring cup with piercing pin. Piercing the eggs with the pin prevents eggs from cracking while getting boiled. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sandwich toaster. All types of delicious sandwiches can be made with this gas toaster. Long handle is easy to grip and heat insulation. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Grilling pan. Toughened heat-proof glass lid, cook and serve elegantly. See the food without lifting the lid. 3-coat durable PFOA-free non-stick inside, healthy, hygienic, low-oil cooking, ridges raise food, excess oil drains away for healthful and tasty food. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tamagoyaki pan. Compact, multifunctional Japanese-style egg pan. Can be used to make Japanese egg rolls, omelets, pancakes, bread toasts, French fries. Heavy gauge aluminum construction for quick and even heat distribution. 100% safe, food grade non-stick interiors with a beautiful, scratch-resistant porcelain exterior. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. Always stay cool phenolic handle for easy handling. Suitable cooktops, halogen, gas, electric. It is not suitable for induction. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. The pan features the right shape and dimension to create authentic tamagoyaki eggs. Its heavy-gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Omelette mold. Ring is a thickened version for greater durability and non-deformation. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tadka pan. Unique and stylish mini frying pan add beauty to your kitchen. It has an always stay cool phenolic handle for easy handling. Aluminum body with non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleaning. It has better resistance to abrasion, suitable cooktops, halogen, gas, electric, high quality aluminum offers great performance and the base design has a superior quality durable exterior, crafted to flip, turn and lift all your crispy delights. Perfect to make mini dosa, chilla, paratha, pancakes, toasts, omelets and tadka. Exceptionally tough base with aluminum core ensures unmatched heat conductivity, heats up quickly and evenly, and retains heat for longer, thus saving fuel and effort. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Casserole set. Come with a shattered resistant tempered glass lid. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Milk pan. This mini pot is truly multi-purpose. Perfect to warm milk, prepare soup, boil eggs, cook noodles, melt butter, rustle up tadka for dal, and much more. Its compact size makes it ideal to prepare baby food, reheat leftovers, or prepare food for a single serving. Stainless steel cookware doesn't impact the flavor of food as it doesn't leach off any metallic properties into food. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Saucepan. Cooks evenly as the thick aluminum core distributes heat uniformly, seals heat and moisture, allows you to monitor food, riveted, stay cool, handle with comfortable silicone grip. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Kadai. Uni-body one-piece design free of any screws or weld joints. It can be used for deep frying, roasting, baking, suitable for all cooktops including induction. Comes with 2 canvas grips for easy handling. Season the kadai before use to give it a non-stick property and prevent the food from sticking in the cast iron kadai. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Griddle pan. Flat surface on one side, and grill ridges on the other. Flat tawa for making dosas, rotis, chilla, uttappam, etc., and ridged grill for searing, roasting, and barbecue. Uni-body one-piece design with easy pouring lips on the grill side. The griddle is made of high-quality cast material that heats quickly, evenly. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Appam pan. Pure iron ore material heats quickly and also retains heat for longer, saving cooking gas. Heavy gauge construction for extra thickness and durability. Ideal for outdoor cooking and campfire, can handle high heat cooking as well as direct contact with flames. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cooker. Made from highly durable food-grade virgin aluminum, features a hard anodized base, can boil, steam or cook healthy, nutritious dishes in an instant, comes with 3 different lids for versatile use. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Idli plates. Cooks idli, dokla, patra and various other dishes. It is a multi-purpose cooking set. Easy to clean and hygienic stainless steel, tri-ply induction bottom. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Pizza pan. Cooks evenly as the thick aluminum core distributes heat uniformly, seals heat and moisture, allows you to monitor food. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Kadai. Core of quick and even heating aluminum sandwiched between 2 layers of 100% safe non-toxic food-grade stainless steel on one side and induction-compatible, magnetic stainless steel on the other. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Dosa tawa. Seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, regular seasoning creates a chemical-free natural non-stick surface for low-oil cooking. Uni-body, one-piece, design free of any screws or weld joints, comes with a canvas grip for easy handling. Product link is given in the 22nd link.